We are Team Pushya. I, Neha Agrawal, with my teammate Siba Prasad Tripathi. Today in this video, we are going to cover the topics segmentation, targeting, positioning. Also the 7 P's of marketing mix, that is product, price, place, promotion, people, physical evidence and process. So, as we all know, basic need of every individual is food, clothes and shelter. Similarly, for success of any business requires a proper STP, that is segmentation, targeting and positioning. Even a local Pani Puri guy, to where to open his shop, he makes a lot of plan. Maybe it is a commercial area, educational area or a developed area. Depending on that, he targets the customer and position his products. A local guy, to set his business, has to formulate a lot of plans and also strategize his STP. So now let's look into how a MNC like Cafe Coffee Day strategize their STP. Now let us talk about the segmentation of Cafe Coffee Day. Cafe Coffee Day has 4 following segments, that is demographic, psychographic, geographic and behavioral. Under the demographic, we have the age groups, that is from 18 years to 25 years of age and 26 years to 40 years of age, followed by the income class people, that is the upper middle class and the high class people. It also includes the occupation, which would be students and working professionals. Under the psychographic, we have traits like extremely coffee lovers or people who likes to hang out socially with extravagant nature and likes to spend their money. Under the geographic, we focused on the urban areas, that is the tier 1 cities, and also the semi-urban areas, that is the premium location of tier 2 cities. Under the behavioral aspect, we have the brand loyal customers who would no matter what stick to CCD through thick and thin and would never consider switching their preferred cafe brand, that is Cafe Coffee Day. The CCD customer base has an averse to price sensitivity, as the customers, the brand loyal customers, they are willing to pay the premium to experience the cherished ambience and taste the Cafe Coffee Day product. After segmentation, now let us look into who are our target customers. CCD has targeted the youth, that is the students and the working employees, wherein the employees could have a sip of coffee with fresh minds and can have their business discussions over there. Now coming to positioning, a lot can happen over coffee. Yes, the tagline has incredibly connected with the youth and has positioned itself as the favorite coffee shop with the young and young-hearted people. But due to COVID-19, the positioning of CCD could be based on Indian cultures and authenticity as well. A brew of Indian cultures blended with authentic coffee beans. We are also taking care of our people, that is the customers and our staff members, making it a safest place to hang out with.
Thank you, Neha. So next I am going to discuss about why the 7 P's are very important for a marketing mix. Like the marketing mix has an effect on its consumer decision to buy or not. So there are 7 P's which are the fundamental element of marketing which are taken by the marketer while conducting a marketing plan. So the 7 P stands for product, price, promotion, place, people, physical evidence and process. First I am going to discuss about the product. So the product is the initial decision of the Cafe Coffee Day to stand for its marketing mix. So it offers product as well as its services to its customer. So but its after sales service is appreciated during the export of the coffee produced on its farms. Okay, so let's see what are the food and beverage offered by the CCD to the customers.
The food and beverage offered by CCD are like the small chops, big chops. In big chops, there are like chicken hot dog pop, choco brownie, cookies, veg samosa, chicken burger, cheese salad, garden salad, etc. And in sweet chops, the things are like chocolate ice cream, cookie medley, dark fashion, vanilla ice cream, carrot nut cake, chocolate fantasy, maestri mousy, etc. Then in beverage like hot coffees, cold coffees, and fruitizer, which are like cappuccino, Ethiopian, Irish coffee, macchiato, solar eclipse, etc. Next is the hotties and fruities. Like in the chocolates, the Darjeeling Divine, Assam Express, Lemon Demon, Masala Garam, Lemon Tea, etc.
So the next thing I'm going to discuss about the place and promotion. The first one is the place, like coffee machines in college canteens to attract its target customer or to get a revenue. Okay. Next thing is strategically located outlets where more number of footfall can happen. Next thing is every possible location where they can earn a revenue. And the next thing is different kind of stores. Like stores will be cafe, long and square, where cafe will be more number of people can come and have a hang out with friends. Next is long where people can come and and a premium kind of coffees will be available there. Next thing is square where people can come and a single origin coffee brews will be available from different countries. Okay. The next thing is promotion in first one is the television. Like in television, like recently CCD held a contest on a very popular channel called Zee English. The program name is Friends. So all the 6 lead characters have seen in CCD. So they have tie-up with the channels. Next thing is a tie-up. The CCD has a tie-up with the brands like Lidl or the Scooty brands, or the recent one is the Airtel brands. The next one is the association with movies. The CCD can be seen in some movies like Khaki, Mehuna, etc. And the next is the post-COVID-19. CCD has to maintain some arts by maintaining some social distancing, or they have to create some arts maintaining some social distancing. So I'm going to discuss about the pricing strategy of CCD. Like first I will tell about the pre-COVID-19 strategy. On the basis of outlet, prices have been positioned as cafe, long and square. Like if I take an example of CCD, like the Black Forest cake, whatever you are getting at rupees 335 near Kanapura Road, the same thing you will get at rupees 535 near Kormangla. Next thing is adding things like chocolate sauce and cream and putting it as a premium choice. Okay, it is also the strategy of CCD. Next thing is on a special occasions, adding 2 to 3%, putting it as a combo offer. It is also the strategy of CCD to attract its target-oriented customers, and with respect to the major competitors like Barista and Starbucks. Okay. Next thing is I am going to discuss about the future COVID-19 strategy. Like CCD may be going to start its coffee at rupees 55 to attract its target-oriented, budget-oriented customers. Okay. Next thing is more number of combo offers will come for large group of people, and next thing is less number of premium choices will come to attract its target customers, and like more number of products can add to the menu.
Now let us talk about people. Taking care of people is at utmost importance for us. Professional service. The Cafe Coffee Day employees believes that customers is always right and ensure exceeding customers' demand at all times. Educative. The Cafe Coffee Day crew always educates the customers regarding the products, services and offers we provide. Mannerism. The Cafe Coffee Day employees are taught always to be polite with the customers and keep a smile in their face while having communications. Assistance. The Cafe Coffee Day crew are always there to assist the customers in case of any enquiries customers have. Neatness. The staff at cafe are always neat and the environment is clean at all times. This contributes in welcoming the customers and make them feel safe. Due to COVID-19, people are afraid to step out of their homes. There comes the need of changing physical evidence in CCD. Temperature of every customers will be checked while entering the cafe, and also they will be provided with a mask. The layout of Cafe Coffee Day will be changed into cabins, and there will be enough space between the chairs to avoid physical contact. Maybe it will be the customers or the staff members. Coming to placing order, everything will be done through the app. We will motivate our customers to make online payments and we will provide them e-bills. overall making it a safest and comfortable place for the customers.
So the next thing is the process. Like the process can be explained with a blueprint. Like it starts from the physical evidence, like the exterior, the interior, menu and the staff. Next is the customer action. What a customer action is, a person goes to the table and greeted by staff, he views the menu card and place the order. Next is the order is taken by the CCD staff to the backstage employees and the order is prepared now. Next is after that, after enjoying the food and the drink, the customer is asking for the bill to the CCD staff. After that, CCD staff hands over the bill to the customer, then customer pays the bill and leaves. So this is the pre-COVID-19 scenario. So here will be the post-COVID-19 scenario, like the customer action will be walk-in after sanitation, tables at a distance as than before, greeted by staff at a distance, digital display of menu card and orally placing of order. Next, while delivering the order also, the CCD staff have to use some gloves and masks by maintaining some social distancing. And the same thing the customer have to do, like while payment also they have to use some digital payment options by making some social distancing. So here this will be the post COVID-19 scenario. Thank you.